Hello guys, welcome to UKG Learning, and today's topic is how to use functions in Python. Basically, function is collection of instruction or collection of code, and we can say the block of code. So let's dive into this video or lecture. Let's see how to use function in Python. First we will define the function and followed by this parenthesis and colon. This is a function name, okay, and we will write couple of statement which is hi there and I am UKG. Okay, so couple of statement we have written inside this function, which is function 1, which is the name of function. Okay, and one more statement we are going to write here, which is this is outside of function. Okay, so we have written 3 statement, couple of inside this function and one out of this function. So one question will be come up, which block will execute first, inside function or outside function. So just take a moment, then I will run this code to see which block is executing first. Okay, just take a moment. Okay, then I'm running this code to see which so this outside of this function is executing first. Then question will come up, why is happening, why it's not executing this function inside this function. So answer is because we haven't called this function yet, right? So let's call this function and we'll again execute this code to see what will be the output. So functions, okay, we have called this function. Now we'll run the code again. Fantastic, that means that time we haven't called this function, that's why it was executing this outside of this block. Okay, and one more good point is of this function that we can utilize this function many times, like see, once we have written the code and then you can utilize many times. That's all about the function. Hope you understand, and thank you so much for watching my video. And